we're sponsoring a contest tonight to vote on who's the best of the startups that are presenting. We're going to give them a $500 gift certificate. I'm really excited to find out who that winner will be and be able to give them that certificate.
Founder and CEO of Tatango. We started Tatango in October 2007 in our parents' basement. We're college students. We dropped out of college, started a website that allows any group the ability to communicate with all their members through text messaging and voice messaging. We got angel round funding from the Bellingham Angels. We moved out of our parents' basement to Bellingham, downtown Bellingham. And since then, we've sent 30 million text messages to all types of groups, churches, fraternities, nightclubs, really all kinds of groups. So it's been really successful. In terms of the economy, I'm really excited. Where else can you get the kind of return on your investment rather than in a startup? Especially startups are the thing that really encourage the economy to increase and grow compared to obviously what's happening in the stock market right now.
I'm one of the 3 co-founders of scrapwalls.com. You can check us out at scrapwalls.com. Basically, so the idea of the site came around when my roommate Kevin at the time, he came home and he wanted to make a photo collage for his girlfriend. He had been dating his girlfriend for about 5 years, and so on this special day he wanted to make a photo collage. And so what happened is he went to Photoshop and he started bringing in all his photos, and he had about 1,000 photos that he wanted to use for this collage. And so he started bringing in his photos, and Photoshop simply could not handle all of these photos. It just ran out of memory, it just crashed. And so what we decided to do in the course of 2 weeks is make this thing for his girlfriend. So we wrote some software, and we wrote some JavaScript, and then we used some technology I had developed previously to make this thing happen. And you can actually see this is the first prototype scrap walls of him and his girlfriend. So he had this background, and he actually placed these thousands of photos. So you can actually zoom in to get the full resolution image on each one of these. Let's see if this works. So here's there's the full resolution image of, and you can do that for each one of these. And so that's the story of scrap walls. Thanks for listening.
This is Frugal Mechanic. We're an auto parts shopping comparison engine where you can find the cheapest price for auto parts. So we're different than most shopping search engines because we actually know which parts fit like cars. So you actually go on, type in 1996 Audi A4 air filter, and we'll list all the prices, all the parts like the Bosch brand filters that'll fit that car. We're very bootstrapped right now. There's 2 full-time, 3 people totally involved in the company, and we came up with this idea because one of us was a big auto enthusiast, and the site just doesn't exist out there for this service. And I mean, we're already generating traffic. It's very SEO friendly. We're also doing a lot of revenue generation, all that type of stuff as well. So it's been pretty successful in that sense. We're pretty excited about the opportunity, and like to talk to other people that might be interested in using our content on their websites if you happen to have a car-driven, oriented community website as well. So let us know if you'd be interested in partnering and getting the cheapest auto parts on mechanic.com.
So I'm president of Pathable. It's a social network for conferences and events. The reason that I got involved with Pathable is basically I hate computers. I hate I don't have a television. I hate the idea of people sitting in dark rooms all day staring at the computer screens. So what I want to do is I want to use my powers for good and get people out from behind their screens actually physically meeting other people in real space. And so Pathable is a way to do that. People are going to events, they're going to conferences, and they're not just going for the talks. They're going to meet people, make social connections in meet space. But it's hard, right? Because you're standing there at a conference, you got your cocktail, and you're looking around, you look at someone's name tag, and what do you do? And so with Pathable, we help people.
Not like that. Exactly. Exactly. I'll tell you, it's like this.
Right? So we show not just who you are, but a list of people you should meet and what you're interested in. So when you get there, you actually have real meaningful conversations with people that you can carry on and build up a social network and a social community in the real world. And that's what I love about this. It's been great working in the Seattle community because people already understand that. They understand that the reason that they're coming to events like this isn't to see the demos. It's not to find the great investment. It's to find the other people that are involved in the community and just talk to them, find out what they're doing, find out what their hobbies are, meet them on the weekend for a game of airsoft. And so if we can facilitate that and be a part of it, it's just a pleasure.
So Divvy is an integrated billing and reservation system that allows anyone with any asset to make it available to their closed community. So I think a good example would be a condo association that's got like a movie room or maybe a cleaning vehicle or a party room or an infinite pool or even a tanning booth. And the homeowners right now have to call the concierge. The concierge might not be there. That's frustrating. Maybe they haven't paid the concierge yet. So they can just go online and they can reserve every one of those amenities and pay for it using PayPal. And no one else can get access because they're not approved into the private subdomain. But the thing is it's not just for condos. Divvy's for anybody. It could be you running out your lawnmower to your neighbors, or your family cabin out to your family members, your favorite friends. Or maybe you're a church that owns a bus that wants to rent your bus out to other churches. So really the possibilities are endless. So use Divvy however you want to save money, save the planet. Do you Divvy? Do you Divvy? Huh? Do you?
All right, let's hear it for Pathable. Yeah! On the path to glory. All right, let's hear it for Divvy. Yeah! We can't divvy it up. All right, one more for Scrap Walls. Yeah!
Yeah, I think we have a winner. It sounds like Scrap Walls.
Now, thanks everybody for coming out and have a great time. And woo!
How many people in the room are already using Amazon Web Services? Awesome.
We need the